Have you ever thought about the skin which you have in your 20s and 30s, the skin which is so firm, so flawless? Will it be same in your 40s and 50s and 60s and so on? So today's topic is basically on the same thing, which is what is wrinkle or what is an aging process in simple terms. I will tell you about how a human body or human face goes into a process of aging, which is such a beautiful process and everyone should enjoy the journey. So hello guys, I welcome you once again on my YouTube channel Exploring Pharma. Today we are going to talk about what is wrinkle. So let's see what is wrinkle. So wrinkle or fold or crease on your skin are the normal part of your body's aging process. So what happens is that when you look onto a normal structure of skin, so a skin basically is divided into three layers, that is epidermis, dermis and subcutaneous layer. The dermis is the uppermost part of the skin and the dermis is the middle layer of the skin. This dermis plays very important role in your aging process. So let's see how does it do that. So let's see about the first protein, which is collagen. So collagen is a protein, a very important protein involved in maintaining the firmness of your skin. So collagen is a protein made up of amino acids, and this collagen is responsible for maintaining a structure or support of your skin. If collagen is present in your skin layers, this collagen will hold your skin tightly and will maintain the firmness of your skin. And the second protein, which is elastin, is also a protein. What elastin does is that elastin is, you can refer elastin in terms of a rubber band. When you stretch a rubber band and when you leave this rubber band, the rubber band comes to its original position after leaving the band or after de-stretching a band. In the same way, if elastin is present in your skin, this elastin will help your skin to stretch in certain conditions, and when these conditions are removed, the skin will again regain to its normal position. For example, when you smile, like now I'm smiling, my skin is like, the skin cells have been stretched, but my face is not remaining the same as like this. I can again regain my face to normal position. So this happens why? Because of the function of an important protein in our face cells, which is elastin. So collagen will maintain a strong support, a network for your skin, and elastin will maintain the shape or elasticity of your skin. So these are the two proteins which are important for maintaining the skin firmness. So let's compare a skin of a young aged person and an aged person. So what happens in a young aged person? The young aged person who is in his 20s or 30s will have good amount of fibroblasts present in his or her cell layers, that is in the dermis layer. So if she has good amount of fibroblasts, the fibroblast will ultimately produce good amounts of collagen and elastin. Now this collagen and elastin will help their skin to hold tightly and will maintain the elasticity. But if you see the aged skin, so aged skin do not have that capacity, that is the aged skin's fibroblast cells do not have that capacity to produce elastin and collagen in good amount. Hence, as there is less amount of such proteins present into the skin layers, the aged people's skin is not able to retain the firmness of the skin, and they're not able to hold the skin, stretch the skin, so firmness is just lost. This results in sagging of the skin, that is the skins become loose just because collagen, the structural support, is not present. If I want to explain you the function of collagen in simple terms, let's take an example of constructing a bridge. When you have to construct a bridge, you need to provide a support, right? So this support will help your bridge to require a support, right? So providing or assisting a bridge with a support will help him to remain in a certain position which will not collapse. Same way does this collagen protein, which will hold the cells from the inner side, so that as this is your skin layer and as this is the collagen, as it will hold your skin, the skin will remain firm, the skin will remain tight. Now let's see a brief explanation or journey of how a wrinkle or aging happens. So as we age, that is as we enter into our 40s, 50s and 60s, the fibroblasts produced less collagen and less elastin. As less collagen and elastins are produced, the skin loses its structure as well as flexibility. As the structures and flexibility are lost, along with this there is loss of fat from the subcutaneous tissue. This loss of fat will create pockets into your skin cells. As there is creation of deep pockets into your skin cells, These pockets will pull your skin down. As the skin gets pulled down, it will result into wrinkle formation, hence leading to a process called aging. Now let's jump into what are the factors contributing to aging. So first, most important is sun or exposure to UV light. So when you enter into sun or when you get exposed to sun rays, this sun rays will accelerate the process of aging. So how does it do that? So what happens is that the production of fibroblast into elastin and collagen is reduced in presence of UV rays or sunlight. So this UV rays will accelerate your aging process. That is, you will age more faster in presence of sun rays, that is recurrent exposure to sun rays. For example, if you were gonna age in your 65s and 70s, but due to presence of sun rays, recurrent exposure, you get age very before premature aging, which is in your 30s, 40s, etc. So sun rays exposure is one of the important factors leading to aging. So you should avoid going into sun rays, which one cannot do. So there is one most important solution for this, which is applying sunscreen, good SPF, sun protection factor sunscreen you have to apply. The second factor for aging is smoking. The ones who smoke will get aged faster. Now it is in your hands. You want to look good or you want to do smoking and do styling, so please avoid smoking. Third is unhealthy diet. The people who have unhealthy diet, lack of eating good fruits and vegetables into their diet, will lead to aging, that is premature aging. You will get age into your early 20s and 30s. The next most important factor is stress. So you might be thinking, today I am taking stress just because I could earn tomorrow something, or I could buy something for my face. I could buy certain kind of cosmetic products, skincare products for my skin, so that my skin looks like flawless and beautiful as like ever. But what about taking this stress? If the stress is causing you age earlier, the premature aging process. So if you want to avoid aging, don't take that much stress. Take stress which is like optimum level of stress and not beyond that. Moving on to the final factor which contributes to your aging process is lack of skincare routine. Yes, most of the teenage girls, boys who are in their 20s and 30s, and not probably only of the teenage, but all of the people who are in their 20s to 35 or 40s, most of them I might think would be having a good skincare routine regime which they follow, which will definitely help them in preventing aging. But there are many who don't have any such kind of skincare routine, who do not take care of the skin properly, do not apply sunscreen, antioxidants, and which leads to aging. Aging is something which no one can avoid. It is a completely unavoidable thing. But yes, it is something which you can delay or you can prevent premature aging. So wrinkles and aging is nothing which can be cured or you can avoid that. You have to enjoy the process of aging, but if you want to, your skin to be formed for a good amount of age term, you need to take some kind of measures. So this was all about what is wrinkle, what is an aging process. Now in my next video I will try to show you the products, cosmetic products which are available in the market, which you could use as an antioxidant, as a sunscreen, which when applied onto your skin as a part of skincare regimen or routine will prevent wrinkle formation, and hence you can have a very beautiful aging journey. So just love yourself, love your body the way you are, but yes, do skincare routine. Thank you.